try and get this back on. Because like I said, I didn't. No, I think it is now. Maybe it's not going to be so bad. Hopefully. Problem again is, I say you can do this on the bike, but I haven't got the chain off, so I don't know if that means. Oh yeah, see, I had to go off was actually pulled off in one bit. Obviously put it back on. It's probably a way. Maybe. It's got pretty square, isn't it? I have to meet these people who say, oh yeah, you can just get them off the engine. I don't know, we did say, I don't know if I said we need the chain or not. I don't think the chain really stopped me, if I'm honest. Something else. What is this? Okay. Sorry. That's how I lie. I can't get it on. Very good. These 8mm, 4mm bolts, all the same. I should start with my hand if I can. Probably have to loosen the rear axle anyway, just to get this sprocket back on. I am going to change the sprockets and that, but at the minute I just want to make sure I spent enough money on it before I make sure it's all going to work again. I need to get a new front tyre as well, don't judge. Just trying to get them snuck down. Let's try to go up around, I reckon. This is bastard. This is like the sorry, probably only way. This is the fun of doing things with. I dropped the engine and the gearbox was absolutely fine, and then that was a heartache. A week into owning it, and now I get more heartache. Gear. Just draw my finger. My hand's like so rough anyway. I'm not that wide. Just kind of thinking, get that in there or not. Probably not. Oh, still a bit bad. Let's go. This is like the most uneven video ever. trusty ring spanner in there. Okay. Oh, I do swear quite a bit. I'm not a mechanic by trade. I'm a roofer. Hence my bad language. But I love working on bikes. This could be like a minutes video. I hope it's still recording. It might be hard to spit this out. Get bored of watching me. I don't know. I'm trying to get it so I can do some more bike. Once I get this one back on the road. Winter I was going to actually strip it all down and rebuild the whole thing. So, which I've pretty much done already. Keep on. But I mean, properly do it, respray, paint job, everything. I've spent so much time working it out. Obviously, it's not really a bike you can ride in the winter too much. We obviously get quite a rubbish winter here, so it's like wet all the bloody time. Obviously, being a roof, probably ain't working. Really working good weather, really. Sorry, I think it's April this year we actually didn't do a full week because it was so bad. So next time is sprocket cover. Sprocket first. Yeah, we didn't have a full week's work till April really, which is pretty bad. Yeah, see, I didn't do sprocket. I cleaned it, but God, yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, April. So yeah, you can imagine from like December, Christmas pretty much till Christmas till then. Yeah, it's hard work really. Yeah, especially when I'm self-employed, so it's pretty hard going. So I'm hoping this might. I might have to start doing some bike restorations or something to kind of subsidise my wage. I've got this back on before, I can't remember if I have to listen to the back wheel or not. Oh, effort's real. Ah, there we go. Whew. There we go. There's a nut in the middle. And then I can put the clutch cover back on. You can give it a good test. I'm just going to wrench that down. I've already got gloves, they just never work. I don't know why bother. My hands are gone anyway, but I've got to go to the garage and pick up some oil. It's not far, it's just I need to do it for a shot 9. It's quite some. Okay, so just got to back brake. Okay. Stretch. Got my friends to do it for me. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to go and get that in a minute, but I'm just going to see if we can get this back on as well. And then I can get the clutch back on. And then we are also ready to. I'll try the clutch, obviously, and make sure that all works. So you've got a Yes, you've got a little gasket, metal gasket there. It just helps. Okay, there's a wire there, so I'm going to away. Trap that. Basically, I want to put the gear lever back on, gear selector back on. But I don't want to do that until I know it's good. So I've got a saw at the bottom. 1, 2 long ones, 3 long ones. Saw at the bottom. So put your sprocket cover back on. Leave that cable out of the way. It's just the side switch cover cable. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass as well, remember. Backside in first, always better. And to be honest, the thing I thought I was going to struggle with was the gear selector mechanism, but actually went on not too bad. It's a lot easier to come off, I'll tell you that. Snap these out. Always good to clean them out because you get absolutely filthy now. I do need to bleed some more fluid through the clutch as well. My missus texts me, we live about 15 minutes away from here, shall we? Oh, well, I'm getting fixed, but sure, it's I'm lucky it's raining. I was like, oh, great. I was like, today I might go and give it a test ride in the rain. I'm not that worried about it. So now clutch on needs food. Clutch was just long rod, goes right through and goes into that push that we had last time. There you go. And then, so I've got the bolt in there because that must be a different size, I reckon. There we go. You might see a bit of a nip up because I accidentally pressed the clutch when it was off. Just do the first one. These are the same size bolts. These are the ones that go right through the sprocket cover. I'm just going to nip the cable. This will push against the rod anyway, so it should just reset. And there's one right here beneath the bloody wall part. It's empty there, it's handy. You can talk these are more to do just dust really, seals and anything else. Obviously you've got important seals in there. You don't want to get them too dusty. If you hold the wrench out, I find you never give it too much. I mean, I don't think you can snap a lot. These are flexible bolts. So. This one. That one on top. We're running our bags now. Oops, we didn't do that. Got a couple of engine mounts. Engine mounts, clutch cover, clutch casing cover, obviously. Just need to put this back on here. I've got a little wire that needs to go on top of here as well. So that wire tucks back in there. Wire round will be the bane of your life, like me. So this cable here goes on top of that gear lever. On top of that, in that gear lever, there's a little indent, which apparently needs to go. That dot is where you're supposed to locate this. The gap. That's pretty good. I'm not sure you can do much else to this. It's going to be a pain to get back on as well. I literally ran a week to get back on my bike. It's been painful. I've been using a lot of time to do YouTube and Instagram, so be grateful. There you go. You can buy stabilisers for these. I'm not really sure. If you know what they do, let me know, because I have no idea. I see a lot of this gear shift stabilisers. It's supposed to be a more positive gear shift or something. I have literally no idea. I've never seen them, I've seen them but never used one. I don't know what the benefits are. If you know the benefits, chuck it in the comments, because I'd be really interested to find out. I'm doing some other stuff on this, so if it increases positive. Well, to be honest, something like putting a quick shift or a race setup on it. I know it's road legal, but not road legal, but it's got a pit lane limiter. I'm just a pit lane limiter, launch control, quick shift, and some other parameters. I'm not sure if someone's done that already on the road. Let me know. I just really want the launch control. I don't know why. I'm a kid. I want to sit at the traffic lights or with my mates and just, yeah, you know. I always hate leaving because I always think, oh, like when you know, I don't want to give it the beans on 1,000. I'm not that crazy. But I just want to make sure, you know, I just want to have a bit of fun with it, really. Sensible fun. Just launch from line, you know. What? My mates ain't got it, so basically I want to. I don't know, I think. Yeah, I think that'd be coolest guy in the game. I feel like I'm missing something, but I have got my heel tech. Sounds good. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, obviously I have to all back together, or in bleeding plugs. I'm just going to release the back wheel, spin it a few times, see if I can get all the gears, because that'll be the big test.